Hi friend, how are you? Always healthy and healthy. Good luck meeting. I am Novita Legiandari. I'm from of Agrotechnology, the Faculty of Science and Technology UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. Will explain about news that is trending with college. Inform my college to
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Nasihatul Isyura Tawabin from Agrotechnology, Faculty Science and Technology, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. And now, we are here wanna tell you about the current issue that is coronavirus. So, what is the coronavirus? Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2, better known as the coronavirus, is a new type of coronavirus that is transmitted to humans. Although it mostly attacks the elderly, this virus can actually affect anyone, ranging from infants, children, to adults, including pregnant women and nursing mothers. Infection of coronavirus that called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. This virus transmits very quickly and has spread to almost all countries in the world, including Indonesia, in just a few months. This makes some countries implement policies to impose lockdowns in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus. In Indonesia itself, the policy that implement is PSBB or it's called pembatasan sosial berskala besar to suppress the spread of this virus.
Coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the respiratory system. In many cases, this virus only causes mild respiratory infection, such as flu. However, this virus can also cause respiratory infection, such as lung infection pneumonia that can cause. In addition to the SARS-CoV virus or virus that are also included in this group are the virus that cause severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and the virus that cause mild as respiratory syndrome, MERS, caused by virus from the same group, namely coronavirus. COVID-19, some difference with SARS and MERS, include in terms of the speed of spread and the severity of change.
Since December 2019, there has been an increase in pneumonia cases caused by coronavirus. Transmission of corona disease is a pandemic. One of so-called pandemic because there are epidemics that spread out in unison everywhere, covering large geographical areas. COVID-19 symptoms. Early symptoms of coronavirus infection or COVID-19 can resemble flu symptoms, namely fever, runny nose, dry cough, sore throat, and headache. After that, the symptoms can disappear and heal or even aggravate. Patients with severe symptoms can experience high fever, cough with phlegm, and even bleeding, shortness of breath, and chest pain. These symptoms appear when the body reacts against the coronavirus. There are several other symptoms that can also appear in coronavirus infection, although more rarely, namely diarrhea, headache, conjunctivitis, loss of ability to taste or smell, rashes on the skin. In general, there are three general symptoms that can indicate someone is infected with the coronavirus, namely fever, body temperature above 38 degrees Celsius, dry cough, and hard to breathe. In general, there are three general symptoms that can indicate someone is infected with the coronavirus, namely fever, body temperature above 38 degrees Celsius, dry cough, and hard to breathe. The symptoms of COVID-19 generally appear within 2 days to 2 weeks after the patient is exposed to the coronavirus.
The large number of fatalities due to this virus was allegedly because the governments in each country were not ready to deal with it. In fact, it is undeniable that governments in various countries are overwhelmed when they fight against the coronavirus. The limited number of health workers, both doctors and nurses, and the lack of PPE, personal protective equipment, requires health services that are not optimal. Moreover, the health workers will become victims coronavirus malignancy. Coronavirus that is endemic in various corners of the world and preventive measures taken will certainly cause significant thanks to the lives of the world community. So, what is the impact of the corona pandemic, which is certainly influenced on people's lives, or even cause conditions that are no longer the same as before? Coronavirus that is endemic in various corners of the world and preventive measures taken will certainly cause significant change to the lives of the world community. So, what is the impacts of the corona pandemic, which is certainly influenced on people's lives or even cause conditions that are no longer the same before? Impacts: 1. Tourism and hospitality industry. 2. Drug and alcohol abuse increasing. 3. Panic shopping and scarcity of goods. 4. Medical personnel experience physical and mental fatigue. 5. Change in interesting and socializing. 6. Decreased of COVID-19 prevention effort in Indonesia. In Indonesia, three starting to do it in 3 ways, starting from physical distance and the new norm. Physical distance control or physical distance transfer is carried out to control the spread of corona infection and prevention of COVID-19. When you distance yourself from a distance, you can travel to other places that are crowded, such as small restaurant, market, fitness center, or fitness center, as much as possible. Avoid using commuter lanes, busway, or other public transportation that is full of passengers. You also need to contact direct contact, such as checking hands and request a safe distance of at least 1 meter. Complaints with others if the person is sick or at high risk or increasing the coronavirus in physical distance.
COVID-19 is a virus that can infect the respiratory system. COVID-19 was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China, then spread quickly throughout the world, including Indonesia. In Indonesia itself, this virus spreads quickly. At the time of this video recorded, cases in Indonesia were positive 24,538, cured 6,240, and died 1,496. The policy for prevention efforts from the Indonesia government start from physical distancing, PSBB, and new normal. A small step that we can take to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is to follow government policies and this discipline of physical distancing. Okay everyone, that's all information about the coronavirus from us. Sorry if there is a shortage of us, and don't forget washing your hand and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.